Welcome back. Good to see you back. And I'm guessing that you have watched the sourdough video and you know how to make your bread by now. If you haven't, go watch it and come back and we'll talk about scoring, which is what we're here about today. And we're going to learn how to do the leaf, which is the one that I particularly quite like. It looks just really nice. So let's get on with it. Used a blade. You can use any type of razor blades or blade, something that you can handle well and not hurt yourself with. And then once your oven is extremely hot, ready to receive this, then we start to cut it, because it needs to be cut and then put straight in. Because if you leave it for too long, then that cut starts to melt together again and it just won't work. Okay? So I'll get back to you when the oven is ready. Now that the oven is nice and hot to the max, you can take and just start cutting. Now, this is going to be the floury one. Hopefully you can see it, because this angle cutting is going to be not how we normally do it. Start cutting like a tree. Slice it goes. Doesn't have to be super deep, just cut this nice and clean. Okay, so that's it. That's that one. Let's do this one as well. Slash it. Just confident, clean cuts. Okay, that's the set. Let's put it in and see what it looks like when it comes out. Came straight out of the oven. See, both look different. This one looks perfect. Not perfect as much. You can see all the sides are, see the shapes. This one not so. I think because I noticed that this side the lid was non-popping, so it opened up slightly. So maybe got more heat on that area, and then instead of just focused on that area to max out. There you go. Try that yourself when you have a next slow bean you can eat to bake. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned to our next episode of our sourdough bread culture journey.